Good afternoon, all of you. Can you hear me?
Good afternoon,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just tell me the last thing I've done in class now.
Alkane.
हाँ alkanes ही, पर कहाँ तक?
Wolff-Kishner reduction का example से.
Okay, okay.
Acid base sensitive groups.
Fine, तो कर लिया वो क्वेश्चन? हमने कर लिया ना?
हाँ मैम, हो गया.
Okay, ठीक है. So that was, I think, which method? Fourth method, I think. No?
Yes, ma'am.
So now write on the fifth method of preparation.
Ma'am, fourth was by aldehydes and T2
हाँ हाँ, उसमें दोनों किए ना मैंने, क्लेमेंसेन्स और वोल्फ-किशनर.
and Wolff-Kishner. Yes.
हाँ. अब next method है by using Grignard reagent. I have already told you about Grignard reagent, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Grignard reagent क्या होता है? Come on, tell me the formula for Grignard.
RMGX.
RM.
Okay, give me the polarity in the molecule.
-1 +2 -1.
Very good. Okay. Which is the more reactive part of Grignard reagent?
R minus.
R
minus.
R minus.
Yes, the carbon ion. Very good. To this, if I add anything protic, what do you mean by protic?
Table of hydrogen bonding.
Yes. Actually, protic means it can give H plus ions. Can water give H plus ions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So that H plus will be attracted where?
R minus.
R minus.
R minus will combine with H plus to give you what?
Alkane.
RH.
Mg.
और वाटर का जो OH है, वाटर का H गया R के साथ, OH गया मैग्नीशियम के साथ. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So you get the formation of alkane. Saturday's recording I haven't shared.
No, ma'am.
ऐसे कैसे? मैंने भेज दिया था मेंस के कोऑर्डिनेशन ग्रुप पे. All of you have not. All of you didn't receive.
Ma'am, got.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Saturday lecture था मेरा या डाउट सेशन था?
Doubt session.
Doubt. Okay, okay. I'll check. I'll check and send it on the group.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Grignard, when treated with any protic compound, it forms alkane. You can take any protic substance. Even alcohols are protic. Could you give me the what I'll get here?
RH.
Okay.
Mg. O. R.
ये H plus देगा ना?
Yes, ma'am.
H plus जाएगा R minus के साथ forming RH. जैसे ही H plus निकलेगा O पे चार्ज क्या आ जाएगा?
Positive. Or negative.
Negative. तो वो मैग्नीशियम के साथ कंबाइन करेगा. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if I take methyl magnesium bromide, tell me the alkane it will form.
Methane.
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 Just a moment. Give me the product here.
Methane.
Did you all finish writing this?
मैम एक बार आप मैकेनिज्म भी बताओगे?
मैकेनिज्म कुछ नहीं है इसका, ये खाली प्रोटिक है ना, तो एसिड बेस रिएक्शन है ये। R माइनस यहाँ पे ब्रॉन्स्टेड बेस है. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ब्रॉन्स्टेड बेस?
हाइड्रोजन एक्सेप्टिंग.
प्रोटॉन एक्सेप्टर, यस.
Proton
एंड
acceptor.
दिस इज अ ब्रॉन्स्टेड एसिड. ब्रॉन्स्टेड एसिड मतलब क्या?
प्रोटॉन डोनर.
Proton
ये
donor.
अपना H प्लस देगा और वो H प्लस एक्सेप्ट करेगा. दैट्स ऑल. सो इट्स अ ब्रॉन्स्टेड एसिड बेस रिएक्शन. हाँ, tell me.
Ma'am, by R dash you mean just like a different
Any,
alkyl group?
any. It could be same also. You can take R also.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so if I want propane, could you tell me which Grignard to use with water? Or could you tell me the number of Grignard reagents which I could use to get propane?
1.
No. No.
2.
Yes. Which two?
ISO or N?
Yes, very good. I can use N-propyl magnesium bromide. This with water is going to give you what? Can I say it will give you propane?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I can also use isopropyl magnesium bromide, no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This also will give you propane. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So number of Grignard reagents which would give propane on reaction with water, your answer should be how many?
2.
2.
2.
Give me the number of Grignard reagents which would give you isopentane when reacted with water.
3.
4.
4.
4.
Yes, 4 is correct. 4 means, can I say this would be one Grignard? Then I can have a Grignard here. Then I could have a Grignard here. नेगेटिव होगा इस पे चार्ज, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव होगा. ओके, ये +2 है, ये -. And then I could have here also. So all these Grignard reagents would give. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the number of Grignard reagents here would be 4. If I ask you including stereoisomers, then?
Five.
No, 6. How 6?
The right one will have stereo.
Can I say this is having a chiral carbon?
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ पर भी ये भी chiral है ना, ये वाला कार्बन.
Yes, ma'am.
तो इसके 2 होंगे और इसके 2 होंगे. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम वापस एक्सप्लेन करना.
मुझे अगर ये alkane चाहिए, so I'll have to start with which Grignard reagent? I could start with any of these Grignard reagents. Do you agree?
Yes,
because all these will react with water to give you the same alkane.
तो मैम ये ऊपर का और नीचे के दोनों रिलेटेड ही है ना?
हाँ, same type का question ही पूछा है.
Yes.
मैम ये first page है.
No, Tanvi, this is the second one. Second slide है.
Ma'am, please can you show the first slide?
हाँ.
Thank you.
Could you tell me the number of Grignard reagents which would give you cyclohexane?
1.
Yes. Okay. You can place the magnesium bromide anywhere. Do you agree? It will be the same
Yes.
compound.
Yes, ma'am.
This, when treated with water, will give you cyclohexane. What about methyl cyclohexane? The number of Grignard reagents which would give methyl cyclohexane?
3.
4.
मैम मैं लास्ट पेज लिख रहा था सर.
Okay, okay. Methyl cyclohexane will not be 3.
Miss 5.
Yes, 5.
Done, ma'am.
1 minute, ma'am.
This week you have a test coming up, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Reaction mechanisms.
Yes, ma'am.
What about the booklet? Booklet was completed?
And only the get equipped part is left.
Last के 6 questions बाकी है.
किसके get equipped के?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
ma'am, one exercise also half was
Ma'am, exercise 3 you have to do some objective type of questions.
Okay, okay. But then did you all do from that anything? Did you all try?
Yes.
आ रहे हैं कि नहीं थोड़े बहुत आंसर्स?
थोड़े आ रहे हैं.
अच्छा. ट्राई कर लेना पूरे. कोई डाउट सेशन है इस हफ्ते?
सैटरडे को है.
हाँ हाँ तो ठीक है सैटरडे सारे डाउट्स कवर कर लेंगे.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, this is done. This slide.
Yes, ma'am.
Mandar, I haven't started hydrocarbon booklet, but I have told you to start solving aromatic hydrocarbons. I told you all that, no?
मैम आप
Yes.
उसका PDF भेज सकते हो.
Aromatic का?
हाँ.
Does anybody else have it? नहीं, मेरे पास तो कुछ भी नहीं है.
मैम
Anyone
हार्ड
of you
कॉपी है.
has? हाँ?
मेरे
You
पास
have?
ओल्ड बुकलेट है.
हार्ड कॉपी है मैम.
अच्छा हार्ड कॉपी है. You all told me they have given you all, no? That is why I said you must have.
That has hydrocarbons only.
Okay, it doesn't have aromatic.
No.
It has, ma'am.
Aromatic hydrocarbons का I think अलग बुकलेट आता है.
हाँ है उसका बुकलेट है हम लोग के पास.
और PDF नहीं है किसी के पास भी. So can someone just share the questions, like questions का एक printable document बनाकर you can share it?
Yes, ma'am.
One of you please do it now on the group. Okay, so these are the 5 Grignard reagents. All these when treated with a protic compound will give you methyl cyclohexane, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What if you treat Grignard with heavy water?
RD.
Yes, you'll get RD. Do you all understand ये कैसे आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you all finish writing this?
Ma'am, can you remove Apurva? Kale is making noise.
Yes,
Can't
can you
hear
ask
you
him to
properly.
He is not from the batch.
But can you just
I
mute
don't
him?
know.
Ma'am, can you mute him? There's a lot of disturbance.
ये D2 वाला लिख लिया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, give me the value of x here.
Four.
No. Saket, you are close to the answer.
Ma'am, 12.
Plus 5.
नहीं 5 नहीं है 6 है इसका आंसर
6.
because this has 6 acidic hydrogen. कौन से वाले हैं? कैन आई से सल्फोनिक एसिड का
HO3H का एक.
हाँ एक इधर से H निकलेगा एक फिनॉल कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड अल्कोहल N पे जो H है और ये टर्मिनल अल्काइन वाला टर्मिनल अल्काइन also is acidic. Am I right? Do you know when I have a terminal alkyne and to this if I add CH3 minus ये अपना इसको H दे देगा to give you what? Is this reaction feasible?
No.
No.
What makes you say
Yes,
so?
ma'am. Gas is
feasible.
released.
वैसे तो प्रोपाइन भी गैस ही है
ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट हो जाएगा कार्बन का.
ऑक्टेट तो सबका
Stable
complete है.
carbon ion. Stable carbon ion.
Do you remember me doing acid base reactions? And I have told you that the always
Yes,
the reaction will form a weaker acid.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ मैम.
इसमें एसिड की तरह ये राइट हैंड साइड सॉरी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का एसिड ये है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
राइट हैंड साइड का एसिड कौन सा है?
Plus methane.
Methane.
Which is a stronger acid?
Left one.
Left
Left
side.
one.
हाँ. Can I say this is a weaker acid?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So this will definitely occur, no? So terminal alkynes can give their own hydrogen to carbanion. तो यहाँ पर carbanion है. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये टर्मिनल अल्काइन अपना H प्लस इसको दे देगा गिविंग यू मीथेन. तो एक मीथेन यहाँ ये H के वजह से बनेगा और बाकी सारे मीथेन ये जो H मैंने सर्किल किए हैं उनकी वजह से बनेगा.
Ma'am, 6 ना.
हाँ. So the answer will be 6 here.
मिस NH2 में से एक ही H निकलेगा.
एक ही क्योंकि उसमें नेगेटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा ना. H प्लस देने के बाद N पे चार्ज क्या आ जाएगा?
नेगेटिव.
हाँ तो फिर वो दूसरा H प्लस नहीं देगा. Got it?
Yes,
क्योंकि
miss.
N पे वो नेगेटिव फिर ज्यादा स्टेबल नहीं है, तो दूसरा H नहीं देगा वो जल्दी. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have understood this?
Ma'am,
Yes,
if the
ma'am.
alkyne was not terminal, then?
Then it wouldn't have any acidic hydrogen. No?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Is this having any acidic hydrogen?
No, ma'am.
So I can just say terminal alkynes are acidic. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you have understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I proceed ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next method you write down.
Ma'am, you will finish all the methods today.
कितना टाइम हुआ है? अभी 11 बजे है ना?
12:30.
अच्छा हाँ, तुम्हारे वहाँ 12:30 हुआ. सॉरी, लेक्चर 1:30 तक है ना? हाँ, हो जाएंगे. 8 मेथड्स ही है ना? 6th चालू है अभी.
Ma'am, can you show the previous page?
Ma'am, the H of the alkane is acidic because like stronger acid to weak acid जा रहा है, that's why, right?
हाँ, ये कार्बन क्या हाइब्रिडाइज्ड है?
sp
और ये कार्बन
sp3.
sp3 होता है ना ये?
Yes, ma'am.
लोन पेयर है ना इसका ये?
Yes, ma'am.
sp3 नेगेटिव किस पे ज्यादा स्टेबल होगा? sp वाले पे या sp3 पे?
sp. Okay.
कैन आई से यहाँ पे नेगेटिव ज्यादा स्टेबल है?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you finish with this?
Done.
Okay, next method you write down coal-based electrolysis. Coal-based electrolysis. What do you understand by the term electrolysis? You have done electrolysis in school. Tell me what is electrolysis.
Dissociation
Into
on the
ions by
passage of
passing
electric current.
electricity.
Okay, dissociation on passing electric current. What do I mean by that? Could you give me an example?
NaCl.
अच्छा, NaCl में electric current pass किया मैंने.
Na plus Cl.
NaCl
I'll get
is
Na plus and
aqueous state.
Cl minus. Huh?
That's aqueous state.
Okay, aqueous state. I'll get Na plus and Cl minus. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
All of you agree?
Yes.
When did you all study this?
10.
सच बताओ, पढ़ाई किया था?
I think
हाँ
it's
मैम, केमिस्ट्री का तो
Wait,
बहुत
ma'am, we get
हाँ मैम.
sodium hydroxide.
You'll get sodium hydroxide here.
I don't think current is needed here.
You need current here?
No, ma'am.
It is already Na plus Cl minus. Current pass करके क्या किया? Na plus Cl minus. Electricity waste किया? Is India so rich that it will waste electric current?
No, ma'am.
जब वो already Na plus Cl minus है तो तुम कर क्या रहे हो यहाँ पे?
मिस
फिर
इनको
से
अलग
उसको
कर.
Na plus Cl minus ही बना रहे हो.
Electrolysis of water.
मैम, इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस तो वाटर का होगा ना, जिसमें
बस
ये
water
अलग
का.
कैथोड और एनोड पे आएगी.
अच्छा,
H
वाटर
plus
का
and OH
इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस
minus.
होगा?
नहीं
Unbelievable.
मैम,
Ma'am,
वाटर
copper का
मीडियम है.
होगा ना?
Molten NaCl, not aqueous.
अच्छा, मोल्टेन NaCl ले रही हूँ, मोल्टेन ले रही हूँ, ठीक है, लिक्विड स्टेट में ले रही हूँ. आई एम नॉट टेकिंग एक्वस. अब इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास किया.
मैम, इसमें कॉपर सल्फेट सोल्यूशन भी लेते हैं ना?
नहीं नहीं, मैं खाली NaCl ले रही हूँ, मोल्टेन. और 2
मैम,
प्लैटिनम
इसका
रॉड्स.
इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस करके क्या मतलब? वो तो प्लेटिंग में. अच्छा, वो तो
इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस करके Na प्लस और Cl माइनस बनेगा यहाँ पर.
मैम कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स निकलते हैं ऐसा.
Ma'am,
कुछ
there are two
इलेक्ट्रॉन्स.
separate reactions.
वो इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस.
इलेक्ट्रॉन्स निकलते हैं.
ये किया तो कुछ नहीं किया तुम लोगों ने. ऑलरेडी लिक्विड स्टेट में भी Na प्लस और Cl माइनस लूजली हेल्ड होते हैं, दूर दूर ही होते हैं. Electrolysis is this. Now tell me what I have done here.
Decomposed.
Dissociate.
सोडियम क्लोराइड में Na पे चार्ज क्या है?
Positive.
Positive.
Must have gained
और
one
यहाँ पे
electron.
चार्ज क्या है?
Neutral.
यहाँ पर Cl पे चार्ज क्या है? NaCl
Negative.
Minus.
और यहाँ पे चार्ज क्या है?
Must have lost an electron.
Reduction.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
So this is electrolysis. ऊपर वाला electrolysis नहीं है, समझा?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
miss.
सोडियम क्लोराइड तो ऑलरेडी Na प्लस है और Cl माइनस है, उसको इलेक्ट्रिक करंट देके क्या तो Na प्लस Cl माइनस कौन सा बना रहे हो? So now I'm defining for you what is electrolysis. Write it down. The decomposition of an
circle क्या है ऊपर?
electrolyte. हाँ?
सर्कल क्यों है मैम Na और Cl के ऊपर?
सर्किल दिया है मैंने. जीरो, उसका
हाँ,
जीरो
वो है.
ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है, ठीक है?
यस मैम.
हाँ. Okay, so write down the decomposition of an electrolyte. The decomposition of an electrolyte by passing electric current. The decomposition of an electrolyte by passing electric current through its aqueous solution. The decomposition of an electrolyte by passing electric current through its aqueous solution, or when it is taken in the molten state, or when it is taken in its molten state.
Repeat the entire line, please.
Okay. The decomposition of an electrolyte by passing electric current through its aqueous solution, or when it is taken in the molten state. Molten state basically क्या होता है? Melted state. Melted मतलब कौन सा form?
Liquid.
Liquid.
हाँ. Can I say here the electrolyte is discharged? What do you mean by discharged?
No charge.
From plus, it is going to what charge here?
Neutral.
Sodium.
Neutral.
So can I say it is losing its charge?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, Cl पे यहाँ negative है. It is going to become what?
Neutral.
Neutral.
So can I say the ions are getting discharged at the electrodes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. तो इसमें एनोड क्या होता है पहले तो बताओ, पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव?
Positive.
एनोड पॉजिटिव होता है,
Positive terminal.
एनोड नेगेटिव होता है.
Ma'am, positive.
Positive terminal.
Node is positive.
Positive ही होता है मैम.
पॉजिटिव
Ma'am, anion is negative, so anode is
Yes,
positive.
ma'am.
पक्का पॉजिटिव.
Positive, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Positive.
होता है मैम.
अच्छा, मेरे बोलने के तरीके से तुम लोग आंसर देते हो क्या?
नहीं मैम.
नहीं मैम.
मैं सोच के
No,
बोलता
ma'am.
हूँ.
सोच के.
हम लोग कॉन्फिडेंट थे.
ओके ओके. सो एनोड इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज. एनोड की तरफ कौन जाएगा?
Anion.
इनमें दोनों में से आयन कौन सा
Cl
है?
minus.
Cl minus.
एनोड पे हमेशा रिएक्शन कौन सा होता है?
Oxidation.
Oxidation.
Cl minus. Can I say loss of electrons is oxidation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Cl minus will lose the electron, forming a chlorine atom. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Two such processes will give you two chlorine atoms,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
and
Yes,
these two
ma'am.
chlorine atoms will combine to form.
Cl.
Chlorine gas.
Can I say this is the reaction occurring at anode for NaCl?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कैथोड का रिएक्शन क्या होगा? कैथोड क्या चार्ज है?
Negative.
Negative.
और यहाँ पे रिएक्शन हमेशा कौन सा होता है?
Reduction.
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 नेगेटिवली चार्ज है तो पॉजिटिव आयन आएगा उसकी तरफ
Yes, ma'am.
और इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करेगा,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
giving you neutral atom of sodium. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say sodium ions here will get discharged at the cathode and chlorine gas will be liberated at the anode?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now these are both non-spontaneous processes. What do you mean by non-spontaneous?
The not
अपने आप नहीं
होता.
On their own.
Occurring naturally.
Can I say Na plus is more stable than Na?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
क्योंकि Na+ का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या है?
2,8.
2,8.
हाँ,
Beyond
और
का.
Na का कितना है?
281.
2,8,1.
So it is more stable in 2,8 configuration or 2,8,1?
2,8.
2,8.
So can I say Na+ being more stable than Na? It will never try to go into this form. Na+.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, chloride ion का configuration क्या है? 288.
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
और
ma'am.
chlorine
ma'am.
atom का configuration क्या होता है?
287.
287.
So which is more stable, 288 or 287?
288.
288.
So can I say chloride ion will never try to go into the atomic state?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So can I say both these processes are non-spontaneous? ये process जो मैं circle कर रही हूँ और ये process.
Yes, ma'am.
See, I'm circling it with red color. This process is non-spontaneous, so is this. So can I say you are bringing about this process by using electrical energy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this process where a non-spontaneous reaction is being carried out forcibly by using external source of energy is called as a process of electrolysis. Samjha?
Yes, ma'am.
Electrolysis may you will be using electrical energy to bring about a non-spontaneous process. I repeat, in electrolysis you use electrical energy to bring about a non-spontaneous process. All this is clear in your mind?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'll be using electrolysis to prepare alkane. Okay. For preparing alkane, you'll have to start with sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid. This is potassium salt of which acid?
Carboxylic.
हाँ, which carboxylic acid? Can I say ethanoic acid?
Ethanoic.
Yes, ma'am.
Acetic acid भी बोलते हैं उसका common name, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Potassium ethanoate,
Acetate.
commonly known as potassium acetate. Take its aqueous solution. Aqueous solution मतलब?
Mixed with water.
With water.
And pass electric current through its aqueous solution. You get the formation of ethane. Along with ethane, the byproducts obtained here are carbon dioxide, KOH, and hydrogen gas. So now I'll show you the mechanism for this. ये सोडियम क्लोराइड का हटा दो. Now potassium salt of acid. इसको जब water में add करोगे, can I say it will dissociate in water to give you what?
CH3COO minus.
You'll get the acetate ion and potassium ion. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Water is also a weak electrolyte. It will partially dissociate to give you what?
H plus OH minus.
Okay. How many positive ions are there in the solution now?
2.
2.
Yes, K plus and H plus. How many negative ions?
2.
Yes, acetate ion and hydroxide ion. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us see the reaction occurring at anode. Anode we know is positive electrode, and the reaction occurring here is always oxidation. Anode being positively charged, which ion will migrate towards the anode? Can I say negatively charged?
Iron.
Acetate and hydroxide ion.
Yes, but out of these two, that is acetate and hydroxide, the one which has a higher oxidation potential, only that will undergo oxidation at the anode. I repeat, out of these two anions, that is acetate and hydroxide, the one which has a higher oxidation potential means tendency to undergo oxidation. What did I say?
Tendency to
undergo
Yes. So
oxidation.
the one which has higher oxidation potential, that means which has a higher tendency to undergo oxidation, will undergo oxidation at the anode. Out of acetate and hydroxide, it is the acetate ion which has a higher oxidation potential. That means its tendency to undergo oxidation is higher. So this will migrate to the anode and lose an electron. Can I say this oxygen is negatively charged because it has 7 valence electrons?
Yes, ma'am.
So at the anode, it is going to lose 1 electron. Say this electron if it is lost at the anode. तो अब कितने बचेंगे ऑक्सीजन के पास? ये एक इलेक्ट्रॉन जो मैंने डार्क किया है वो निकल गया. अब ऑक्सीजन पे चार्ज बताओ.
No charge.
हाँ,
No
why
charge.
no charge?
6
valence
electrons.
electrons.
Octet is complete.
Octet is incomplete, my dear.
Means it has 6 valence electrons.
Yes, valence electrons 6 हैं उसके और ऑक्सीजन के पास 6 ही होते हैं. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So no charge. But can I say this is very reactive because octet incomplete है इसका?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a free radical, oxygen free radical which is octane. Charge नहीं है ना इस पे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
it is not stable because octet is incomplete. So because it is unstable, what it will do is it will break this CC bond. How do you expect the CC bond to break?
Homolytically.
तो अभी ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है और ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो यहाँ पर पेयर अप हो जाएगा और क्या बनेगा?
Double bond.
तब
CO2.
क्या बन गया?
CO2.
CO2.
और ये इलेक्ट्रॉन गया किसके पास? CH3 के पास?
Yes, ma'am.
Two such processes, can I say, would result in 2 methyl free radicals?
Yes, ma'am.
Now these 2 methyl free radicals will combine to give you what?
Alkane.
Alkane. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
So give me the gases evolved at anode.
Carbon dioxide.
CO2.
Carbon dioxide.
And ethane.
And
Yes?
methane.
Ethane is
Yes,
also
yes.
a gas.
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Anode का reaction सबको समझा है?
Ma'am, how will we know the which one has more oxidation potential?
You have a chapter coming up, electrochemistry. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
उसमें पूरा एक टेबल दिया हुआ है which is called as EMF series. उसमें सारे anions और cations को उन्होंने arrange किया है in the decreasing order of their
मैम EMF वो है क्या, इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स?
हाँ, इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स. तो वो EMF सीरीज से पता पड़ता है कि किसका ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल ज्यादा है और किसका कम है.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम कैथोड पे भी किसका पोटेंशियल चेक करना पड़ेगा ना?
कैथोड पे आप रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल चेक करो. कैन आई प्रोसीड? ये लिख लिया है? Is my voice not clear?
हाँ मैम, बीच में
It is clear.
अच्छा. आदित्य, आई थिंक यू जस्ट
मैम इधर
चेक
H2 कहाँ बना?
अभी बनेगा ना कैथोड पे. यहाँ ऊपर लिख लो कैथोड का रिएक्शन. कैथोड इज व्हाट चार्ज?
Negative.
Reaction occurring at cathode is always reduction. Am I right?
रिडक्शन.
Yes, ma'am.
Reduction is gain of electrons. अब कैथोड नेगेटिव है तो उसकी तरफ कौन जाएगा? पॉजिटिव आयन जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
How many positive
plus
ions are
H
there in
plus.
the solution?
2.
K plus and H plus.
Out of that, the reduction potential is higher for?
K plus.
नहीं.
Plus.
H plus. H plus gain करेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन और क्या बनेगा? एटम बनेगा हाइड्रोजन का.
Yes, ma'am.
Two such processes will give you
H2.
2H.
which will combine to form molecular hydrogen. So which is the gas evolved at cathode?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen gas.
Solution में बचेगा क्या अब?
कुछ नहीं.
Potassium ion और OH minus.
Very good. Solution में
KOH.
K plus और OH minus बचेगा. They'll combine to form KOH. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So can I say as the reaction proceeds, the pH of the solution starts increasing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why would the pH increase?
KOH is
Because
more
OH.
it's on no
Huh.
base.
alkaline.
So write down this as a note. Okay. As the reaction proceeds, the pH starts rising due to the formation of KOH.
Ma'am, could you repeat?
As the reaction proceeds, the pH of the solution starts rising. As the reaction proceeds, the pH of the solution starts rising due to formation of KOH.
मैम ये कैथोड के अंदर लिखना है.
नहीं, एक नोट करके नीचे लिखो ना रिएक्शन होने के बाद.
Miss, is the KOH formed at cathode?
KOH will be in the solution, ना?
Okay, miss.
Cathode पे
it's a
तो
part
hydrogen
of-
gas बन रहा है ना?
Yes, miss. So it's a part of the electrolyte, right?
Yeah, part of the electrolyte.
Okay, miss.
Have all of you understood this electrolysis?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rohan, you want me to repeat? It was due to the formation of KOH. Okay. Okay, Mandar, I'm explaining the anode reaction again. This is the acetate ion, which is attracted to the anode. It has a higher oxidation potential, means it has a higher ability to undergo oxidation. So at the anode, it is going to lose an electron. ऑक्सीजन के पास यहाँ पर 7 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, इसलिए नेगेटिव चार्ज है, तो उसमें से एक वो दे देगा एनोड पे. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट चार्ज तो चला जाएगा ऑक्सीजन का, बट कैन आई से इट्स ऑक्टेट इज इनकम्प्लीट.
Yes.
So because of its incomplete octet, what it will do is the CC bond of the adjacent carbon, that bond will break. It will break homolytic. One electron of this carbon and one electron of oxygen will combine to form a double bond, giving you carbon dioxide. और ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन बचा हुआ है ये इस कार्बन पे चला जाएगा, फॉर्मिंग अ मिथाइल फ्री रेडिकल. जब ये प्रोसेस 2 बार होगा तो 2 मिथाइल रेडिकल्स बनेंगे, और ये 2 मिथाइल रेडिकल्स आपस में कंबाइन होकर इथेन बनेगा.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, ethane and KOH will be left behind in the solution, right?
Ethane will be liberated at the anode, no?
Oh, okay. And KOH will be left behind in the
Left in the
solution.
electrolytic solution, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you all finish writing this?
Done.
All of you are done with this?
Ma'am, and CO2 will be also be released at the anode, no?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So now if I take this salt, what is the name of this salt?
Ethyl acid.
Acetate
Potash.
नहीं है.
Propanoid.
Yes. Propanoid.
Give me the product here.
Propane.
Propane.
No. Did you go through the mechanism?
Butane.
Yes, you'll get butane.
Some 2 free radicals of ethane.
Yes, they'll combine to give you what?
Butane.
Butane.
Can I say here the carbon of the alkyl group also will double?
Yes, ma'am.
This is similar to Wurtz reaction. Wurtz याद है? Wurtz.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Na के साथ.
But along with butane, you also get some amounts of ethane and ethene also. Now, how would I get ethane and ethene? देखो अभी यहाँ पर फ्री रेडिकल्स बनेंगे कहाँ पर एनोड पे ये फ्री रेडिकल बनेगा
Yes, ma'am.
और दूसरा जब बनेगा कैन आई से दे कैन कंबाइन टू गिव यू ब्यूटेन
Yes, ma'am.
व्हाट अदर थिंग कैन हैपन जब ये दो फ्री रेडिकल्स बन रहे हैं they can combine with each other or what can happen is this bond can break homolytic फिर ये इलेक्ट्रॉन और ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर अप होके क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पर
Double bond.
Ethene.
और ये इलेक्ट्रॉन जाएगा उसके पास और क्या बनेगा सॉरी ये H जाएगा उसके पास और क्या बनेगा
Alkane.
Ethane.
Ethane.
did you understand
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
so even
ma'am.
this can occur this is known as disproportionation have you heard about disproportionation
No.
disproportionation मतलब एक molecule one molecule of a compound undergoes oxidation and the other molecule of the same compound undergoes reduction disproportionation I repeat one molecule of a compound undergoes oxidation and simultaneously other molecule of the same compound undergoes reduction can I say this one is losing the hydrogen
Yes, ma'am.
and this one is gaining the hydrogen so loss of hydrogen is what oxidation gain of hydrogen is what
Reduction.
हाँ तो इथाइल फ्री रेडिकल ही H लूज कर रहा है और कहने से तो दूसरा इथाइल फ्री रेडिकल H ले रहा है
Yes, ma'am.
so it is a disproportionation reaction just write it down I'll give you the definition for disproportionation also
Wait, ma'am.
हाँ
Okay, ma'am.
finished all of you
Just 1 minute, please.
Man, can you repeat the definition of disproportion?
yeah I'll just repeat it first you'll finish off writing this then I'll give you disproportionation finished all of you
Done, ma'am.
Yeah.
okay write down disproportionation it is a redox reaction in which one molecule of a compound it is a redox reaction in which one molecule of a compound is oxidized one molecule of a compound is oxidized and the other molecule of the same compound is reduced and the other molecule of the same compound is reduced तो जब भी फ्री रेडिकल्स होते हैं फ्री रेडिकल्स अगर इंटरमीडिएट्स होते हैं तो यू कैन नॉट अवॉइड दिस डिस्प्रोपोर्शनेशन रिएक्शंस आई रिपीट whenever the intermediate is a free radical disproportionation reactions can occur fine
Yes, miss.
Miss, could you just repeat what you just said?
I said whenever the intermediate is a free radical we cannot avoid disproportionation reactions in fact even this can occur when you get this free radical this can combine with CH3 free radical also to give you what you can also get the formation of an ester here but these are all side reactions बहुत कम होते हैं मतलब इनका proportion बहुत कम होता है So free radicals आपस में combine होके you can get a variety of products here. Kolbe's electrolysis, all of you have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Can I prepare propane using this reaction?
No.
No.
Why no?
It's only even number
Odd
of
number
carbon
of carbon
will be.
atoms.
Odd is not.
What if I take a mixture of these two?
Yeah, then more.
इन दोनों का मिक्सचर लिया तो क्या मिलेगा? Come on, tell me.
Propane.
हाँ, बट प्रोपेन के साथ और क्या बन सकता है?
Propane, KOH, carbon dioxide,
वो
Butane,
तो बनेंगे ही.
ethane,
और
Butane and ethane.
butane, ethane.
yes, you can also get butane. You can also get ethane. Butane कैसे
And
बनेगा?
ethene also, right?
हाँ,
Ethene.
ethene also, ethane also. हाँ, ethane तो लिख लिया मैंने. Ethene भी बनेगा disproportionation. Butane कैसे बना बताओ?
पहले वाले से
ethyl
मैम, पहले वाले से ब्यूटेन बना,
radicals.
सेकंड वाले से इथेन बना.
हाँ, this can combine with another molecule of the same compound.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
That will give you butane. If this combines with another molecule of same compound, you will get ethane, correct?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
And if these two combine, then you get propane. So it is
Propane.
not a good method for preparing alkanes with odd number of carbon. And what is the reason? Because you get a mixture of alkanes here. To separate that mixture of alkanes, it becomes very difficult because alkanes का boiling point बहुत close होता है. Their boiling points are very close. To separate again becomes a very difficult task. So you can write it down. Same is true even for Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction also you can easily prepare alkanes with even number of carbon which are symmetrical. मगर अगर odd number की कोशिश करोगे तो can I say you'll get a mixture there also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So both these Wurtz and Kolbe's, they are good methods for preparing symmetrical alkanes. For unsymmetrical, it is not good because you get a mixture of alkanes. Okay, Rylan, yeah, this is your last page, previous page. Rylan, done?
Miss.
हाँ.
Miss, ester is not formed in the above reaction, right?
हाँ, ester भी बनेगा ना.
अच्छा बनेगा मिस.
हाँ हाँ, वो भी
मैम
बाई
ये
प्रोडक्ट
एस्टर भी
आता है.
ऐड करना है क्या? और
हाँ, उसमें नेक्स्ट वाले में एस्टर भी ऐड करूँ.
Miss, just a minute, please.
इनफैक्ट दो अलग एस्टर्स बन सकते हैं वहां पर. कौन से दो अलग एस्टर्स?
के साथ बनेगा और एक इथेन के साथ.
हाँ, दो नहीं, you'll get 4 esters.
2 ethanoate और 2 methanoate.
हाँ, ये हो गया रायलन. Have you completed this? Okay.
Can you
Rylan,
write those 4 esters?
do I pronounce your name properly? I don't know.
Ryan didn't have.
Okay.
Yes.
Can I say you can get all these esters?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these 4 esters can be formed as byproducts.
मैम what is the difference between this reaction and previous one?
Which previous one?
इससे पहले जो किया था मैम.
Grignard वाला?
नहीं यही अच्छा यही है मैम.
ये कोलबेज ही है ना? कोलबेज ही चल रहा है अभी तक.
अच्छा उसी में ऐड करना है मैम ये सब.
हाँ हाँ उसी में है.
And these esters are for this reaction, right?
Yeah, this one only. This one which I have given here. ये वाला.
Okay, और मिस लास्ट रिएक्शन के लिए 4 esters बनेंगे ना?
ये रिएक्शन के लिए 4 बनेंगे. बिकॉज अल्काइल ग्रुप अलग है ना. यहाँ पे मिथाइल है और यहाँ पे इथाइल ग्रुप है ना.
Okay, ma'am.
तो
Thank you.
ऑक्सीजन को तुम मिथाइल लगा सकते हो, इथाइल भी लगा सकते हो।
Okay, हाँ ठीक है मैम।
समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है?
Yes मैम, समझा।
ओके
मैम प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में भी एस्टर्स थे क्या?
थे ना, यहाँ पे दिया था ना मैंने, ये रहा।
मैम सिर्फ एक ही ना?
One, right?
यस मैम। मैम पर
इसमें कौन सा एस्टर बनेगा? इसमें एक ही बनेगा, ये वाला बनेगा।
यस मैम। तो मैम नीचे आपने कौन सा दिया है?
ये वो प्रीवियस रिएक्शन के लिए, प्रीवियस पेज पे था ना जो, ये वाला।
यस मैम।
हाँ ये वहां नहीं लिखना चाहिए मुझे, सॉरी।
Can you rub it off, please?
I did it, fine.
Thank you, miss.
This ester was for the previous molecule, that means this one. Got it?
Yes ma'am.
This molecule will give you ester, that is this one. This one will give you this ester. But if you're taking a mixture of these two, then you can get these 4 esters. Is it understood now?
Yes ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so Kolbe's is done. Now we'll go for.
Ma'am, can you please show a previous page for a second? Thank you, ma'am.
Is it raining very heavily over there?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. A lot.
Sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Sodium salts of carboxylic acid. This is sodium salt. When treated with soda lime, do you know what is soda lime?
NaOH.
Soda lime is a mixture of NaOH and calcium oxide. इन दोनों के mixture को बोलते हैं soda lime. In the ratio of 3:1. So you have 3 parts of NaOH with 1 part of calcium oxide. You get the formation of RH along with sodium carbonate. So if you want methane, you will be starting with what?
Ethyl.
Sodium ethanol.
Sodium acetate.
Yes. So how many carbon in this sodium acetate?
2.
Yes, there are 2 carbon. इसका IUPAC name sodium ethanoate है. Common name sodium acetate है. To this if I add soda lime, इसका decarboxylation होके methane बनेगा. So can I say this reaction is used for stepping down the number of carbon, stepping down the carbon chain?
Yes ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Stepping down the carbon chain means
Reducing the number of
reducing the number of carbon by 1. Okay. So it's used for stepping down the carbon chain. Please note down that. Okay.
Ma'am,
This
can
reaction.
you explain again what is step?
Sodium salt of carboxylic acid, you add soda lime. So decarboxylation होता है. Why is this called as decarboxylation?
कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड निकल
Because you are removing the.
This carboxyl group is being removed, ना CO2 part.
Yes, ma'am.
तो decarboxylation तब होता है जब CO2 को निकाला जाता है. Okay? तो एक कार्बन कम हो गया ना इसमें. देखो इसमें कितने कार्बन है टोटल? इसमें कितने कार्बन? और प्रोडक्ट में कितने कार्बन है?
एक.
तो स्टेपिंग डाउन हुआ ना कार्बन चेन. 2 कार्बन से कितने कार्बन मिल रहे हैं?
एक.
So we are going down na in the number of carbon.
Yes ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
मिस आपने वो 3:1 क्या लिखा है?
सोडा लाइम का कॉम्पोजिशन लिखा है.
वो उस रेशियो में प्रेजेंट होता है।
हाँ, उस रेशियो में होता
ओके मैम।
है. Okay, if I want to prepare ethane, that means I'll have to start with what?
Sodium
Pro-
propanoate.
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 Yes, you'll start with sodium propanoate. Sodium propanoate will give you ethane.
What does calcium oxide do here?
That is a very good question. I'll tell you when I'll take up the mechanism now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What if I want benzene as the product? Then I'll have to start with what?
Ethyl cyclohexene.
Which one?
Ethyl benzene.
I have to simply start with this, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What if I want to prepare toluene?
Two carbons and a benzene ring.
Add a
Will this give me?
Yes.
Yes.
Will this give me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Will
ma'am.
this give me?
Yes, everything.
Yes.
You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So any of these can be used for the preparation of toluene using decarboxylation. So now I'll go for the mechanism of this reaction.
1 minute. Done, ma'am.
1 second.
All of you have finished this? I'm proceeding ahead. Huh?
Ma'am, can you 1 minute show the previous page? Yes, ma'am, done.
Give me the formal charge on this oxygen.
Negative.
This is your sodium salt of carboxylic acid, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You're adding NaOH. NaOH gives you Na plus and OH minus. Could you tell me where will the OH minus be attracted to?
Carbon.
Yes. Carbon has delta plus here. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So as it comes close to carbon, the pi bond will shift to oxygen.
Ma'am, first the pi bond shifts or first OH minus goes closer?
As the OH comes, it happens simultaneously. This is electromeric shift, na?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Can I say that oxygen will get a negative charge?
Yes.
ऊपर वाला? जहाँ
Yes,
पे pi
ma'am.
bond shift हुआ? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can I say there are two negative charges very close to each other here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So there'll be repulsive forces between these negative charges.
Yes.
So to avoid that, what the molecule does is, one of the oxygen gives back the electron pair to form a
Double bond.
and simultaneously this comes out now. This takes the electron pair and comes out. So give me the charge on this R.
Minus.
Minus.
Now the carbon has formed a double bond with that oxygen. यहाँ पर अभी भी O नेगेटिव है और इस पे OH है. ये क्या बना है?
Oxalic acid.
हाँ? अरे this is sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3.
Yes,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
समझा?
Yes, miss.
अब ये NaHCO3 है जो वो एसिड सॉल्ट है. एसिड सॉल्ट मतलब
It can give up acid.
Give
yes,
up
it can
Hydrogen,
give H
iron.
plus.
हाइड्रोजन दे सकता है.
Yes, this
Yes.
can give H plus. Can I say इधर R minus है तो उसके नजदीक कौन आके नजदीक कौन आएगा?
H plus.
हाँ?
Na plus.
अरे पहले Na plus था ना उधर.
हाँ मैम.
देखो यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर शिफ्ट हुआ और यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड बना.
Yes, yes.
ये निकल के आया एज R माइनस. तो जब ये
हाँ,
R माइनस
okay.
आएगा तो Na प्लस उसके पास चला जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. तो ये R माइनस Na प्लस है और इसमें आपको एसिड सॉल्ट है ये. तो एसिड सॉल्ट क्या देगा?
H plus.
तो जब ये H प्लस देगा, H प्लस इसको देगा तो क्या बनेगा?
RH.
और एसिड सॉल्ट ने
Alkane.
H प्लस दिया तो O पे चार्ज क्या आ जाएगा?
Negative.
तो उसकी तरफ कौन
Negative.
आएगा फिर?
Na plus.
Na plus.
तो ये बन गया सोडियम कार्बोनेट
Yes.
और ये बना अल्केन.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand this reaction mechanism?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the intermediate in this process?
Carbon ion.
Very good. Okay. So the intermediate is a carbon ion.
Can you repeat the second step?
Okay. ये वाला यहाँ से यहाँ.
Yes.
Okay. This O has negative charge. Can I say there are two negatively charged oxygen here?
Yes.
So there will be repulsion between their electron clouds. So to avoid that, one of the oxygen gives back the lone pair to form a double bond. And simultaneously R comes out as R minus. Then this is an acid salt. You're getting sodium bicarbonate. वो अपना H plus इसको दे देगा. So I'll get RH. And this will form sodium carbonate. Understood or no?
Yeah, understood.
So if they ask you the intermediate of this reaction, your answer should be what?
Carbon ion.
Yes.
Miss, R comes out because CC bond is weaker than CO bond, right?
No, because of the repulsive forces between these two oxygen. Since the electron pair is shifting here to form a double bond, can I say carbon cannot form 5 bonds?
Yes, ma'am.
So R minus leaves out.
Ma'am, so OH भी जा सकता था, but it
But
can't
OH
because...
बाहर बहुत ज्यादा है ना? Can I say NaOH है?
Yes, ma'am.
तो reagent आपने बहुत ज्यादा ऐड करके रखा है तो OH जाएगा ही नहीं फिर एक बार आएगा तो, क्योंकि बाहर OH का concentration ज्यादा है. समझा?
हाँ, okay, miss.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So CC bond is stronger, like weaker than CO bond can't be a reason.
No, that is not the reason. Of course, that is true that CO bond is stronger, but then that is not the reason here.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Now, what is the role of calcium oxide? Someone asked me that. Yes. NaOH is hygroscopic. What do you mean by hygroscopic?
it becomes stickier when it
Absorbs
makes
Absorbs
moisture.
moisture
water.
from the atmosphere.
So what is deliquescent?
Water of
Yes.
crystallization.
No. Deliquescence is what I just said.
You have described deliquescent, correct?
Yes, ma. Sorry.
Absorbs water is deliquescent.
Calcium
Gives
oxide
water.
absorbs water.
Absorbs
So-
moisture.
So absorbs moisture is deliquescent or hygroscopic?
Hygroscope.
Deliquescence.
So what is
Deliquescence.
Absorb
deliquescent?
moisture is hygroscopic.
Okay. So what is deliquescent?
Gives.
I think absorbs moisture
It's
and
abs-
doesn't change its state. is
Deliquescent is that it
hygroscopic.
easily becomes a liquid or something like that.
Okay. A
Dissolve-
substance which absorbs moisture and dissolves in that
is a deliquescent substance.
is a deliquescent substance. Okay. And a substance which does absorbs water is hygroscopic. In fact, NaOH is deliquescent. Deliquescent means what?
Absorbs water and
Absorbs and
And if water is there, can I say this is a salt of weak acid strong base?
Yes, ma'am.
So weak acid strong base का hydrolysis होगा अगर पानी होगा तो. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
तो इसका salt का hydrolysis होगा तो क्या बनेगा? Can I say you'll get a weak acid and NaOH?
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't want that to happen. So in order to prevent NaOH from absorbing moisture, you have to add that calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is hygroscopic. So what will calcium oxide do?
Absorb
the
that.
moisture.
absorbing
Absorb
the
all the
moisture.
moisture and not allow NaOH to absorb any water and dissolve in that water. So that we can prevent the hydrolysis of the sodium salt of the carboxylic acid. Is it understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you make us write a note on this, please?
Okay, write it. Calcium oxide is added. Calcium oxide is added to absorb all the moisture. Calcium oxide is added to absorb all the moisture. Because in presence of water, the sodium salt of carboxylic acid, because in presence of water, the sodium salt of carboxylic acid will undergo hydrolysis. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid will undergo hydrolysis. Fine. An intermediate I have written, it's a carbon ion.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll ask you a question based on this.
CaO doesn't change its state after absorbing the moisture.
No,
right?
no. It is hygroscopic. It is not deliquescent.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, undergo what you said that last word.
Hydrolysis. I have given you these 4 compounds. What am I doing today? I've given you these 4 compounds. Tell me which will undergo decarboxylation at the fastest rate.
2.
Very good. ये रब क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? हाँ. Very good.
2, 4.
4.
1, 3.
1, 3.
Excellent. कैसे आया आंसर?
वो it is a donating group या withdrawing group देख के.
हाँ, तो कहना इसे कार्बेनाइन का स्टेबिलिटी चेक करना है आपको।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कहना इसे यहाँ पर कार्बेनाइन सबसे इजीली बनेगा क्योंकि NO2 विड्रॉइंग है।
Yes, ma'am.
वेरी गुड। ओके, फिर भी बोलते ऑर्गेनिक टफ है, आता तो है समझ में। हाँ
मैम पेपर के वक्त नहीं आता।
हाँ मैम।
पेपर के अंदर तो प्रेशर होता है ना, व्हेन यू आर गिविंग, यू आर ओनली नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट ओनली केमिस्ट्री ना, यू हैव मेनी अदर थिंग्स टू, तो इसलिए थोड़ा वहां पर ठीक है। वो
ऑर्गेनिक कितना परसेंट पूछते?
ऑर्गेनिक विल बी अराउंड 35% इन द पेपर।
और बाकी केमिस्ट्री के मतलब
बाकी 65 होगा ना, फिजिकल और इनऑर्गेनिक। फिजिकल भी अराउंड 30 to 33% होता है, और बाकी का 30-32% इनऑर्गेनिक होता है। इक्वल वेटेज है तीनों पार्ट्स को।
मैम ये एक्सप्लेन करना होगा।
सॉरी
मैम ये एक्सप्लेन करूंगा।
Okay, can I say यहाँ पर the rate determining step will be the formation of this carbanion, the intermediate?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो intermediate can I say जब ये निकलेगा तो इधर intermediate ये बनेगा CH2 minus benzylic carbanion। इसका intermediate क्या होगा? पैरानाइट्रोबेंजाइलिक होगा।
Yes, ma'am.
इसका intermediate क्या होगा? पैरामिथॉक्सीबेंजाइलिक होगा।
Yes, ma'am.
और इसका इंटरमीडिएट होगा पैराक्लोरोबेंजाइल।
2 में माइनस आर है इसलिए वो सबसे।
हाँ, तो कहना इसे इसमें माइनस आर है।
यस मैम।
और माइनस आई, तो ये कार्बेनाइन को ज्यादा स्टेबलाइज करेगा ना।
यस मैम।
तो ये फास्टेस्ट होगा रिएक्शन। सो इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप्स विल इंक्रीज द रेट हियर।
यस।
इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप्स विल डिक्रीज द रेट।
यस मैम।
Ma'am, you said RDS is formation of carbanion, right?
कार्बेनाइन, यस। इंटरमीडिएट का होता है। रेट डिटर्मिनिंग स्टेप हमेशा इंटरमीडिएट फॉर्मेशन होता है, और अगर कंसर्टेड मैकेनिज्म है तो रेट डिटर्मिनिंग स्टेप इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ट्रांजिशन स्टेट। I have told you concerted mechanisms, correct? कौन से mechanisms concerted किए हैं मैंने?
मैम what concerted?
Concerted नहीं सुना है?
No ma'am.
No ma'am.
Concerted reactions are those which occur in single step. With no intermediates. No intermediates. They only go through a transition state.
SN2.
SN2 and E2 both are concerted. Okay. SN2 E2 किया है ना मैंने?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say उनमें intermediates नहीं बनते हैं, transition state बनता है?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो SN2 E2 are concerted mechanisms. Concerted are those which occur in a single step with no intermediates involved, and they go through a transition state. So concerted mechanisms में कौन सा step rate determining step होता है?
Formation of transition state.
Formation of transition state. और बाकी जो concerted नहीं होते हैं उनमें कौन सा होता है rate determining step?
Formation of
intermediate.
Hindrance, steric.
Yes, intermediates. और aldehyde ketone में वो जो nucleophilic addition होता है वो steric hindrance. हाँ, that also I'll be taking up. Okay, steric hindrance also I'll be taking up. This reaction, all of you have understood this method of preparation?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you all finish writing this? Now last method में लिए time नहीं है अभी.
Could you please stop?
Okay, just give the heading and keep. Corey house synthesis. Corey house. Okay, I'll be taking this in the next lecture. And
Ma'am, tomorrow you have a class.
Tomorrow again I'm having class.
Yes,
3
ma'am.
o'clock.
हाँ ये टाइमिंग 3 o'clock कैसे रखा है?
Three
कल
to four.
Because we
कॉलेज
have
है.
college in the morning.
ओके ओके.
Ma'am, how many hours?
3 to क्या दिया है टाइम मुझे नहीं पता.
5:30 दिया है मैम.
2.5 hours.
Can you please keep a 2 hour class?
1.5 hour, ma'am, please.
हाँ miss, 1.5
Nah, ma'am,
or 2
1 and
hours.
ठीक है कल देखते हैं.
मैम 3 o'clock को
Thank
मुझे
you, ma'am.
कॉलेज.
हाँ
3 o'clock को मुझे कॉलेज मेरे बैच.
अच्छा तुम्हारा कॉलेज है 3 o'clock.
हाँ
Ma'am,
Where-
take 4 to 5:30.
You want 4 o'clock then lecture for tomorrow?
Anything
Yes,
is
I'm
fine.
fine.
1.5 hour.
Okay then I can start at 4, no issues.
Yeah, ma'am.
Just remind me that I have to start at 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I had a doubt.
हाँ tell me.
Ma'am, in the call-based electrolysis.
Okay. 1 minute. Page number 8. Who wants?
Excuse me, ma'am.
बोलो बोलो.
Ma'am, so those who are done, they can leave.
हाँ they
right?
can leave. They can leave. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम.
Thank
Yeah,
you, ma'am.
yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye all of you.
Thank
Page
you, ma'am.
number 8. I think someone wanted. Harshita, just wait. I'll show you that last previous page. हाँ और डाउट किसको है?
Ma'am, मुझे ma'am, can you show potassium propanoate? Like
I'll just
उसमें
show it.
ether सिर्फ एक ही बनेगा, right? Ester सिर्फ एक ही बनेगा, right?
प्रोपेनोएट में नहीं उस हाँ खाली जो प्रोपेनोएट लिया है कि जो मिक्सचर लिया है?
खाली जो propanoate लिया है.
हाँ उसमें एक ही एस्टर बनेगा ना.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
प्रीवियस स्लाइड आई थिंक ये चाहिए था किसी को.
मैम
हाँ
रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म में एक डाउट था.
हाँ बोलो.
One second, I'll just send you the picture of that.
Miss 2413 जो order rate indicates which order?
Rate towards decarboxylation.
Okay miss, thank you so much.
Ma'am, I sent it.
हाँ tell me.
Ma'am, इसमें I'm getting 3 products, like 3 intermediates and 3 products.
कैसे my dear? Wait. क्योंकि तुमने कार्बोकटायन ही गलत बनाया ना फर्स्ट स्टेप में.
नहीं मैम, सारे अलाइलिक ही.
नहीं पर तुमको अगर कहना है से ये डबल बॉन्ड और ये डबल बॉन्ड के बीच में चॉइस है तो तुमको ये ही शिफ्ट करना है, वो नहीं करना है. क्योंकि अगर ये डबल बॉन्ड शिफ्ट करेंगे तो कौन सा कार्बोकटायन बनेगा?
हाँ, it will be
3 degree
allylic. Yes,
You agree?
ma'am.
But if you shift this pi bond, then which you are going to get?
1 degree.
No, you'll get 2 degree. 2 degree allylic.
1 degree भी मिलेगा ना?
किधर मिलेगा 1 degree?
मैम रेजोनेंस.
अच्छा ये हाँ ये रेजोनेंस करोगे इधर.
हाँ हाँ.
Will it go for that? पहले तो ये 2 degree allylic और 3 degree allylic में कौन सा favored होगा?
3 degree.
Definitely it will go for this. So shift this double bond and not this.
Yes ma'am, but resonance will happen in 2 degree allylic.
Resonance 3 degree में भी होगा.
Yes ma'am, then we get 1 degree allylic.
हाँ बट
So
ये
that can
पहला वाला कार्बोकटायन कौन सा बना है वो चेक करो ना. भाई चेकिंग बाद वाला.
No ma'am, like if number of products I'm checking, then 3 will be there, no?
Which 3?
1 from 3 degree allylic, 1 from 2 degree allylic, and 1 from 1 degree allylic.
That means you'll be shifting this pi bond.
No, I'm just doing resonance.
रेजोनेंस अगर 3 डिग्री का कर रहे हो तो डेफिनेटली 2 ही मिल रहे हैं मुझे, एक ये वाला मिल रहा है और एक ये वाला मिल रहा है।
हाँ मैम, तो वो 1 डिग्री अलाइलिक है ना?
हाँ 1 डिग्री और 3 डिग्री। तुम ये पाई बॉन्ड को शिफ्ट कर रही हो ना, तब जाके तुमको 2 डिग्री अलाइलिक बनेगा।
हाँ
तो उसको
मैम,
मत करो ना, 3 डिग्री वाला बनेगा ना पहले।
मैम बट 2 डिग्री और 3 डिग्री में ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है ना एनर्जी का?
हाँ ज्यादा तो नहीं है, बट देन
So it is not like regio specific, no?
नहीं रीजियो स्पेसिफिक नहीं है ये। ठीक है, हाँ ये 2 डिग्री बना, पर फिर जब ये 2 डिग्री बनेगा, इसमें से जो 1 डिग्री बनेगा वो अलग होगा। इसके 1 डिग्री और उसके 1 डिग्री में फर्क है, तो
हाँ
फिर 4
हाँ।
हो जाएंगे तुम्हारे।
Okay, so 4 products.
हाँ गॉट इट।
Okay ma'am, yes. Thank you
It won't
ma'am.
be 3 because ये वाला 1 डिग्री is different from ये वाला 1 डिग्री।
Yes ma'am, I didn't notice that. Okay ma'am, thank you.
So total products will be 4, right?
4।
Okay, miss.
ठीक है, चलो, can I end the class now? Anybody wants the previous page or I think something? Potassium propanoate वाला page 11 तो ये है, page 11 anybody wanted? Shubh, you wanted the page 11? I think Shubh is gone. Rohan, potassium propanoate वाला ये है। ये वाला चाहिए या कोल बेस चाहिए? Yes, Saket, you can leave. Rohan, you wanted this one or the electrolysis wala? Okay, electrolysis. ये है वो। Okay. Shall I am ending the class. Bye all of you.